Welcome to Bioholic channel. I am your educator Orpita Bishwas, and today I will discuss about morphology of flower. This is the whole structure of flower. Here the different parts of it are shown. The flower is a highly condensed and modified reproductive shoot generated from bract and has short or long flower stalk that is called as pedicel, and these also contain thalamus or receptacle, which is the swallow and spherical shaped upper part of the pedicel that mainly helps in reproduction. The flowers have mainly four parts: the calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. The calyx, it is the outermost layer that have small parts, those are called as sepals. And these sepals, according to the duration, can be of many types. The main function of calyx is to protect other parts of flower at the time of budding. This is the calyx and apicalyx, and the parts of calyx, the sepal. Now the second part is corolla. That is the second part and present of the calyx. Each part of it is noted as the petals. There are many forms of corolla. Those are caryophyllaceous, gamopetalous, infundibular, hypocratiform, rotate, arceolate, zygomorphic, polypetalous, according to their modifications or structure. This is cruciform, caryophyllaceous and rosaceous. This is campanulate, tubular and infundibuli, and those are hypocratiform, rotate, arceolate and papilionaceous. There is also other types, the zygomorphic, gamopetalous. Those can be bilabiate, personate and ligulate. Sometimes calyx and corolla forms different structure. Those are called as perianth. Each part of perianth is called as tepal. The function of this is to protect the inner parts and attract insects for pollination. This is ligulate, bilabiate and personate, and this is the tepal formation or perianth formation. Now the estivation. The arrangement pattern of sepals and petals in floral bud is called as estivation. Those are of many types: the valvate, the twisted, the imbricate, the vexillary and the quincuncial. Now the androecium, the third whole of flower, made up of one or more stamen. Those contain filament, anther and connective. Each anther is usually bilobed and each lobe has two chambers of pollen sac where pollen grains are produced. The function is to form a formation of pollen grains and helps in pollination and germination. This is the androecium, the anther, the filament. Now, attachment of filament to anther is of four types. Those are adnate, basifixed, dorsifixed and versatile. This is the diagrams. According to length of stamens, they can be of many types. The didynemus, the tetradynemus. Those are the diagrams. Now, there are some special points. Inserted and exserted. Stamens are smaller than corolla, that is called as inserted, and if stamens are longer than corolla, it is called as exserted. And there are also types: the diplostemonous, the obdiplostemonous, the haplostemonas, the heterostemonas, and the staminodes. The stamens without pollen grains and remain sterile throughout the life, it is called as a staminodes. Now, the fourth and second essential female part is gynoecium, that comprising inner hole or megasporophylls in form of carpels bearing ovules. They are of many types: the monocapillary, the polycarpellary, the apocarpus, the syncarpus. The function of gynoecium is to formation of ovum. This is the structure of gynoecium: the stigma, the style, and the ovary. There are two types of ovary, the superior and the inferior. Now the placentation. Pattern of arrangement of ovules on ovary wall is called as placentation. They can be of many types: the marginal, the parietal, the axial, the free central, basal, apical, superficial. These are the diagrams. Now, insertion of floral leaves. The arrangement of petals, sepals and stamens and the ovary on flower is called as insertion of floral leaves. They can be of many types: the hypogynous, the perigynous and the epigynous. Hypogynous, perigynous and epigynous. Now, cohesion of flowers, that is the fusion of floral parts. The cohesion of sepals can be seen in China rose. Cohesion of petals can be seen in datura. Cohesion of stamens, this is of three types: the adelphi, the diadelphous, the polyadelphous, and the synandrous. Those can be of many types, the syngenous also. This is mono, di, poly, and the synandrous and the syngenesious. Now, adhesion of stamens. When stamens are attached with other parts of flowers, this is called as adhesion of stamens. This can be of four types: the epipetalous, the episepalous, the epiphyllous, and the gyandrous. These are the examples. Now, move on to the types of flower. According to presence of floral holes, they can be complete and incomplete. According to presence of androecium and gynoecium, they can be bisexual or unisexual. The monoecious plant, the dioecious plant and the polygamous plant. According to structure, they can be regular and irregular. According to symmetry, they can be actinomorphic, zygomorphic, and asymmetrical. According to arrangement of thalamus and floral organs, they can be cyclic and acyclic and also spirocyclic. There are also many parts, though the flowers that have bract is known as bracted, and if don't is known as ebracted. Flowers having 3 or multiples of 3 number of floral holes is trimerous, and if have 4 or multiple of 4 it is tetramerous, and if 5 or multiple of 5 it is pentamerous flower. Without sepals and petals, flowers are naked, and if only one part is absent, this is monocalamidous, and if both parts are absent, then it is called as diclamidous. Flowers contain 2 or more distinct carpels is apocarpus flower, and if 2 or more carpels are fused together is known as syncarpus flower. Now floral formula. It means the representation of structure of flower using numbers, letters and various symbols and presenting substantial information about the flower in a compact form. With these equations, we can write the floral formula. The bracts can be present as BR. The symmetry of flower can be presented by a plus circled by a round. The sexuality, the calyx, the corolla, perianth and androecium can be stated with this type of symbols. Now the floral diagram. It is the graphic representation of flower structure that shows number of floral organs and their arrangement and fusion. Different parts of the flower are represented by their respective symbols are shown in these diagrams. The mother axis, the outer is sepal, the inner androecium. Androecium is circled by the petal or corolla, the inner gynoecium and the bract. Number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4 is shown in the diagram. Now, there are some common floral diagram and floral formula given for the Solanaceae, Liliaceae, Crunicifera and Malvaceae. Now, inflorescence. It is arrangement of flowers on floral axis. Those can be of many types. Number 1 is the racemose. Inflorescence of main axis that continue to grow and don't terminate in flower and give off flower laterally in acropetal manner, where old flowers are arranged toward base and young are at the top. This can be of many types: the raceme, the spike, catkin, spadix, corymb, umbel, capitulum and panicle. Raceme, spike and others are given. Second one is the cymose. If peduncle terminate in flower and older flowers are present at the tip and young buds arranged toward the base, it is called as cymose. They are of many types: the solitary, the uniparous. Uniparous can be of 3 types: the helicoid, scorpioid and Rhiphidium. The third is the dicacial and the fourth is the multiparous. These are the diagram presented. Number 3 is the special types of inflorescence: the hypanthodium, the cyathium, verticellar, the coanthium and the mixed. There are examples also. If you have any queries, please comment below, or you can also contact us through our mail ID given here and also given in the description box. Please go through the self-assessment test and assess yourself. The link is given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. And if you are new in this channel, please hit the bell icon and for getting the further future notification, and please don't forget to like, share. Thank you. We will meet on next Monday.